Hi everyone. Today our topic about exponent and powers. First, what is mean by exponents and powers? Observe 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 2, 4 and 2, 6. In the same way, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Adding numbers, adding same numbers, multiplying same numbers. Answer will get same? No. 2, 2, 2. 3 times 2. 2, 2, 2. Here also 3 times 2. So what is the difference between these two numbers? Sum of product of 1, 2, 3. One mango cost 2 rupees, then cost of 3 mangoes 2, 4, 6. Okay, here 2 times. This 2 and 2 again 2 times. That is the difference. One more time. A plus A plus A. How many A's are here? 3A. A into A into A is equal to A cube. Small difference. Okay. Now, for example, 2x power of 5. In this term, x belongs to which place? 2 belongs to which place? 5 belongs to which place? In this case, exponent or power is 5. For which one exponent this is? X. So, here base is x, then 2 multiplying with x power of 5. So 2 coefficient. Okay. 3 new words: exponent, base, coefficient. Now 2x whole power of 5. Same. 2x power of 5, 2x whole power of 5. Here exponent 5, base 2x 5 times, 2x into 2x into 2x into 2x into 2x, like. So here base is 2x. Now coefficient, each and every term always multiplying with 1. So here coefficient is 1. Exponent and powers. An exponent is a number or any letter like x power of n. An exponent is a number 5 or any letter n written above and to the right of mathematical, right side above mathematical expression called the exponent or power. It indicates that the base is to the raised to a certain power. X is the base and n is the exponent or power. Now, to solve like these questions, we must need some formulas. Laws of exponents. First one, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. When both bases are same, they are in a multiplication operation, then we can add the numerators. When both bases are same, they are in a division, then we can subtract the exponents. Same base but two exponents, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. See, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. A power of m whole power of a power of m whole power of n. This formula, a power of m power of n is not equal to a power of mn. Take care. Okay. Here whole power of n, but this n belongs to for m. M belongs to for a. Understood? These two are not same. A power of m into b power of m is equal to ab whole power of m. A power of 0 is equal to 1. For any alphabetical letter for any number, power of 0 gives 1, but 0 power of 0 is not equal to 1. 0 power of 0 equal to 0. A power of m by b power of m is equal to, both numerator and denominator had exponent as m, so we can write a by b whole power of m. Now seventh one, minus 1 even times, minus 1 2 times, this is if even number, minus 1 50 times, minus 1 100 times, minus 1 lakh times, minus 1 crore times. Like minus 1 power is even number, then answer is plus 1. When minus 1 power is an odd number, then answer is minus 1. 0 power of 0 equal to 0. These are very important to solve the problems, exponent and powers. Now exercise 4.1, first section, simplify and give reasons. First problem, 4 power of minus 3. Simplify this numerical term 4 power of minus 3. This one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So besides of 4 power of minus 3, we can write 1 upon 4 cube. 1 by 4 into 4 into 4. 4 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now second one, minus 2 whole power of 7 times. Before we had a one formula, if minus 1 comes odd times, minus 1 come even times. Here minus came here odd times, means in the answer also minus. Minus even times, then answer positive. But here minus odd times, so negative. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times I written minus 2. Now multiply 2 2 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2 16, 16 2 32, 32 2 64, 64 2s 128. Now next, 3 by 4 whole power of minus 3. Again a power of minus n is equal to 1 upon a power of n. 1 by 3 by 4 whole cube. Whenever you observe a fraction in the denominator place, write that fraction in numerator place, its reciprocal. 3 by 4 change as 4 by 3 whole cube. Again another formula, a by b whole power of m is equal to a power of m by b power of m. This formula, 4 cube by 3 cube. 4 into 4 into 4 by 3 into 3 into 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now fourth problem, minus 3 whole power of minus 4. This one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So besides of this, 1 by same, except this minus, same number you remove this minus and write 1 as numerator. 1 by minus 3, remove this minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 3. How many times? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Minus came here even times, so answer positive. 3 3 9, 9 3 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay. Now second section, first problem, simplify the following. First problem, 1 by 2 whole power of 4, 1 by 2 whole power of 5, 1 by 2 whole power of 6. See, all here bases are 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Means all bases are equal and they are in a multiplication. So we can add the numerators, we can add the exponents directly. A power of m into a power of n, here bases are same. Then we can add the powers are exponents, m plus n. So 1 by 2 whole power of 4 plus 5 plus 6. 6 4 10 and 5 15. 1 by 2 whole power of 15. Then minus 2 whole power of 7 times, minus 2 whole power of 3 times, minus 2 whole power of 4 times. minus 2 whole cube or minus 2 power of 3. Okay, here also all bases are same, they are in multiplication, so we can add the exponents. 7, 3, 10, 10 and 4, 14, minus 2 whole power of 14. Up to here answer is completed, otherwise we can simplest this one as a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times minus 2. Now multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. 7 times 2, 128, 7 times 2, 128. So 128 into 128, 16,384. How many times minus? 14 times. 14 is a even number. So minus even times gives plus. Then third problem, 4 power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole power of 4. This is in the form of a by b whole power of m equal to a power of m by b power of m. 4 power of 4 into 5 power of 4 by 4 power of 4. This one, numerator and denominator same as it is. So get cancel. Then remaining 5 power of 4 gives 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 25, 5 5 25. 25 25s are 625. Now next fourth problem. 5 power of minus 4 by 5 power of minus 6 into 5 power of 5 cube. Here itself we can do the cancellation. 5 power of minus 4 and 5 power of minus 6 we can do the cancel here itself. There are many methods to solve the answer. Okay. A power of minus 1, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So besides of this 1 by 5 power of 4, besides of this 1 by 5 power of 6, this is fraction contains numerator. So same as it is 1 by 5 power of 4, 1 by 5 power of 6, this whole in denominator place. So write its reciprocal, 5 by 6 by 5 power of 6 by 1. So this will come in numerator place, this will come in a denominator place. 5 power of 6 by 5 power of 4 into 5 cube. 3 times 5, 3 times 5 get cancelled. 1 time 5, 1 time 5 get cancelled. 3 times, 3 times. Okay. 5 3 times, 5 3 times get cancelled. Then 1 remaining 5. This 1 remaining 5, 1 remaining 5 get cancelled. So here 5 power of 5 will come. 5 power of 5. Then into 5. 125 into 25. Otherwise we can write 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 5 power of 5 times, or 125 into 25 is equal to 25. 5 is 125. 25 2s are 50. 12 62. 25 1 is 25, and this is 6 31. 3125 or 5 power of 5 is the answer. Now second section, fifth problem. Minus 3 whole power of 4 into 7 power of 4. This both are different bases but same exponent. Minus 3 7 different bases, 4 4 same exponent. So a power of m into b power of m same exponents, bases are different. Then we can write common exponent. So ab whole power of m. Minus 3 into 7 whole power of 4. 3 7s are 21. Minus into plus minus. Minus 21 whole power of 4. This power belongs to minus. This power belongs to 21. Means minus 4 times 21 also 4 times. When you multiply minus 4 times it gives plus 21 whole power of 4, or we can do the multiplication 21 4 times. Now third section, simplify. 2 square into 3 square by 2 power of minus 2 into 3 power of minus 1 or 3 inverse. 2 square into 3 square into 1 by, this one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So 1 by 2 square into this one also a power of minus n, 1 by 3 power of n means 1. 2 square into 3 square into 1 by 2 square change as 2 square by 1 into 1 by 3. This square and 1 3. 3 square 3 into 3 and this 3 1 3 1 3 get cancelled. Now remaining 2 square and remaining 1 3. Now 2 4 times, so 2 power of 4 into 3, or we can multiply all. 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 3s are 48. 2 power of 4 into 3 also answer, otherwise we can write simplest form as 48. Now second problem. 4 power of minus 1 or 4 inverse into 3 inverse divided by 6 inverse. All these are in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So 1 by 4, 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 in denominator place. So we can write 6 by 1. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now only 2 is the remaining in a denominator place. So our answer is 1 by 2, or we can write 2 inverse. After this, fourth section, first problem. Okay, simplify and give reasons. First problem, 4 power of 0 into 5 inverse into 5 square into 1 by 3. A power of 0 gives 1, 4 power of 0 gives 1. Any number power of 0 gives 1 except negative numbers and 0. 4 power of 0, 1 plus 5 inverse 1 by 5 into 5 5s are 25 into 1 by 3. 5 1 is 5, 5 and 1 6, 6 by 5 into 25 into 1 by 3. 5 1 is 5, 5 5s are 25. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. Now remaining 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. Second problem. 1 by 2 whole power of minus 3, 1 by 4 whole power of minus 3, 1 by 5 whole power of minus 3. All bases are different, but their exponents are same. So we can write common exponent for all numbers, all bases. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole power of minus 3. All multiplication 2 4 8 8 5s are 40. 1 by 40 whole power of minus 3. This is in the form of a power of minus 1 equal minus n equal to 1 by a power of n. So 1 by 40 whole cube. This one change as 40 by 1 whole cube. 40 cube 40 40 40. 4 4 16, 16 4 64 and these 3 zeros. 64,000 or 40 cube is the answer. Now third problem. 2 inverse plus 3 inverse plus 4 inverse into 3 by 4. 2 inverse a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. 2, 3, 4. LCM is 12. 2 6 are 12, 6 1 is 6. 3 4s are 12, 4 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12, 3 1 is 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 6 4 10. 10 and 3 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. 3 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12. 13 1 is 13 by 4 4s are 16. Fourth section, 3 problems completed. Now fourth section, fourth problem. 3 power of minus 2 by 3 into 3 power of 0 minus 3 inverse. Here 3 power of 0 in the form of a power of 0. 3 power of minus 1, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So 3 power of minus 2 change as 1 by 3 square and remaining this 1 by 3 into 3 power of 0 1 minus 3 power of minus 1 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square into 3 into 3 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 3 is equal to 2 1 is 2, 3 how many times? Here 2 times, 1 time, 3 time, 1 time, 4 times. Here formula a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. So 3 4 times 3 3 9, 9 3 27, 27 3s are 81. Now fifth problem. 1 plus 2 inverse plus 3 inverse plus 4 power of 0. This a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. A power of 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, 1, 1. 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 2, 3, 1 LCM is 6. 1 6 6 6 2s are 12. 2 3 6 3 1 is 3, 3 2 6 2 1 is 2, 12 3 15, 15 2 17 by 6. Now sixth problem, 3 by 2 whole power of minus 2 whole square. See, this one we can do in this way, otherwise we can do in another way. See, 3 by 2 whole power of minus 2 whole square. This one in the form of a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. Then 3 by 2 whole power of minus 4. Again this one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. Then 1 by 3 by 2 whole power of 4. Here in the denominator place there is a fraction, so write its reciprocal, 2 by 3 whole power of 4. 1 2 3 4 times by 1 2 3 4 times. 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 3 3 9, 9 3 27, 27 3s are 81. In mathematics we can solve a problem in many methods. How much knowledge a person had, he can solve in many methods. So you also try to solve in different methods. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members.